Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl AB World Entertainment. Today we get serious matter for the house of my people. This one shocked me. It shockalized me, my people. My people. News don't circulate for everywhere. It don't read. The leader and the president of Biafra, the leader of the IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, have been arrested today. He was brought to court by Nigeria DSS. Oh my God. How they take cash Nnamdi Kanu is unknown to everybody, and it's still a shock to the whole Biafran, to the whole Nigeria, called Zoom, according to Nnamdi Kanu. He say Nigeria now Zoom. A lot of people come dey talk say you are welcome to the Zoom country. You are welcome to the zoology country. Oh my God. How it take happen, my people? It's still unknown to us. Everybody is still shocked. In the morning when we heard of it, nobody blocked the news because there were a lot of people were saying it was false rumors, say na lie, say nothing like that happened. Until this evening, when the people come confirm and say they see Nnamdi Kanu for court, say one man come outside come talk about and say he really see am face to face, koro koro. You see Nnamdi Kanu, you understand? So now I say, okay, make I quickly still talk about am before the news fade away. My people, Nnamdi Kanu wey e dey for United Kingdom, wey im be British for United Kingdom. The United Kingdom come gbab hand over am to Nigeria authority. Oh my God. Wetin Nnamdi Kanu do this time around? Nnamdi Kanu wey e promise to bring the head of, say anybody will bring the head of the governor of Port Harcourt, wey they call Winke, he will give them 500 million. Oh my God, wetin come dey shele for inside this place now? My people, the matter get as e be o. Now I say okay, make I quickly come outside. Make I quickly come talk about the matter. Okay, my people, say breaking news. The federal government of Nigeria arrested the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, the general of the federation and minister of justice, wey they call Mr. Abubakar Malam San, na im make the disclose to journalists today, say Nnamdi Kanu has been arrested. Say Nnamdi Kanu dey Nigeria because since on the 27th of this month, June, na they take arrest Nnamdi Kanu for UK, hand over am to Nigeria's authority because im get court wey im supposed to come do on the for inside March, but he no go because that time when im first go jail for Nigeria, he no finish the matter well, so he can run comot. So now he come, they come say he need to come the trial. No, if you dey on that is, they never bail you finish, you just dey on bail condition, you are not supposed to leave the country. So but Nnamdi Kanu escape from Nigeria. How it take happen we no know, but some reliable source talk say na because say they be wan delete the guy, na make the guy run comot. Say they even go one barrister in Jofor house, so a lot of things happen. That one mama dey break him leg, comot him hand, so na make Nnamdi Kanu come escape. So na make Nnamdi Kanu no come Nigeria for a trial for inside March this year 2021. Okay, so the Chief Justice of Nigeria come break the news give journalists today, where e be 29th of June 2021, say Nnamdi Kanu dey court, say make all the journalists come. But before the journalists could arrive at the High Court of Justice in Nigeria, in Abuja, they don already carry Nnamdi comot. So they no want make anything that happens to Nnamdi Kanu, so they want make he suffer for the sin wey he commit. So he get case for ground wey he never finish, plus this new case of bombing different places. So now the case wey catch Nnamdi Kanu na be this, my people. So the Chief Judge of Nigeria not disclose am to anybody except on Tuesday today, from related to a lot of people, say Nnamdi Kanu is in Nigeria, is in court right now. He has been captured from United Kingdom. Oh my God. And so I see am, my people. I beg, if you are just watching for the very first time, may you leave your comment for the comment section. Thank you very much on your notification bell and subscribe, share this video. How long will Nnamdi Kanu stay in Nigeria prison? Will he come out, or I don't understand? Guys, please leave your comments for me in the comment section. Upon all the atrocity wey he don't do for inside Nigeria, where he don't destroy a lot of Nigeria properties, all with the help of the IPOB people. So make una leave comment for me in the comment section. So how he want a maneuver come out for inside this jail? Now the time we first take go jail be this one. So my people, we will see for comment section. I love you all and God bless you. Please stay blessed, everyone. Help me to share this video. Leave a comment for me in the comment section. What will happen to Nnamdi Kanu now that is in zoology country, as he normally call Nigeria? Okay, my ogbonge people, make una stay tuned for more news about the IPOB leader himself. But many IPOB people never believe say their leader still in Nigeria. Okay, we go see for comment section. Bye everyone. Make I leave the video for me.